Yes, sir. Boss up with K. Welcome back to my channel. I teach you how to turn active income into passive income. Find these gig economy jobs, delivery jobs, anything side hustle related, business credit related. Help you out the 9 to 5 rat race. We about that. And I'm back. What I know. One. Yes, another gig app for you guys to use a vehicle to transport, deliver things in your local area. They are in a lot of cities, a lot of areas, and expanding. This is a new type of delivery service. Yeah, let's talk about it. So, but in full transparency of this channel, you will need a pickup truck or some type of open air vehicle, some type of what, it's not enclosed. Why? Because we're delivering that gas, my boy. Yes, got that gas going for the low. Yes, be a gas transporter. Oh, well, not gas, propane. Yeah, the propane that you hook up to the tanks when you grill or air fry stuff outside. Yes, those propane tanks, you can actually deliver those tanks and get paid per mile and per delivery. But per regulation, you will need a open air vehicle. Okay. All right. So we got that out the way. Now let's talk about it. The Cynch. Cynch, partner with, well, actually they are a sister company of America Gas. You probably see America Gas, go to your front of local gas stations or hardware store, Home Depot. You see those propane tanks that you can buy one and exchange when you use it all up. So instead of going to the store and picking one up, you just call the company or go online with the app and have one delivered. And how you get paid is simply delivering that gas pack. All right. So of course, we always do. We're gonna hop inside the website, get down to the details, so exactly how you get started with this and how much you can get paid. All right. Let's get into it. So here we go. Cinch. Cinch. It's such a cinch. Cinch, flexible driving opportunities with Cinch. You download the app and you see here's the guy's pickup truck. He got a shiny new Denali pickup truck. But I don't think you need that big of a truck or that new of a truck. Make your own schedule, earn money. It says our drivers earn $30 per hour just for dropping off that gas. Superior technology in the app. Do I need to own a truck to drive for Cinch? Yes, it is mandatory that you drive a pickup truck. Needs to be an open air vehicle. Now I've seen large box trucks that's had the top cut off and with things on the side guarding it, where you can use those as well. It doesn't have to be a pickup truck, but like I said, some type of open air vehicle. And then what are the driver requirements? Must be 18 years or older, can lift 30 to 20 pounds, 2 years of driving experience, and a bed that's longer than 5 feet. And of course, a smartphone. So here's some reviews. Great extra money. Here's a guy just, lifting it up, throwing it into the back of his truck. Very simple. Very simple. So let's see where these guys are at. Here we go. Cynch Propane delivery locations. Atlanta, ATL. So I'm about to get on it as soon as I find me a pickup truck. Austin, Texas, Charlotte. So deep up in Texas, Dallas, Houston, LA, Oakland, Miami. We got Florida locations. We got California locations, Washington, D.C. Someone asked me about Washington State and Washington, D.C. recently. So here are some you can do in those states. And guess what? You can possibly rent a pickup truck to do these deliveries. Now, make it make sense. I haven't done the math. Math may not be mathing to do that, depending on how much the pickup truck is and how much mileage you're driving. But this is something you can do. You can, figure that out on your own. Be your own boss. Don't rely on me on telling you every single detail. I'm just giving you a little free game that you can possibly rent a vehicle to do these deliveries if you need one, or borrow somebody with a pickup truck. We've got one just sitting around. You can do this. They also have referral programs where you can get money off of referrals as well. So you see the locations. You see they, average about $30 an hour for delivery. This is the parent company here, AmeriGas. So, they have the Cynch propane tanks. But like I said, you either go through here or there to get started with them. So, you can make some money getting these propane. Or if you're just interested in getting stuff, using this service for your own personal use. So if you got like a food truck or some type of food delivery service, food service you cook, this could be useful for your business as well, not just driving. But yeah, that's what we're talking about, driving. I did have we go. So on the Cynch AmeriGas propane delivery driver. So you pretty much, you can go through AmeriGas. If you look them up on Indeed, or Glassdoor, you can look and see more areas that they're hiring in. Kent, Washington. You can be a rep. So here are some other areas. So let's see what the drivers are actually saying about these jobs. If we can get some details, make some good money. Here's a delivery driver. I hope it improves. Pay is fair. The routing is a nightmare. Decent job. Run. I'm not sure what he's doing. He's a great pay. Decent job. Pays great. He's an operations coordinator, delivery representative. So some of the delivery drivers are decent. Reviews are decent. Let's see, we got some salaries. That's what we really want to know, how much we can get paid. But they're dropping off this gas pack to these peoples. And transportation delivery driver. Let me click on this. Let me click on the delivery guys. I want to know how much the delivery guys are making. $41,000 a year. It's close to about $25 an hour. That sounds about right. If you make 30, you take out 5 for gas. That sounds about right. Of course, you are an independent contractor, not an actual employee. So you still have to factor in benefits and all that good stuff. But this is a great side hustle, great way for you guys to make some extra money with your pickup truck. Not sure if this would be a full-time income opportunity, but if you are interested in getting paid with that pickup truck, or you got one sitting on the road, I don't mention, how old your pickup truck or how new it has to be. So here's ways around that. Anyway, so yeah, check out Cynch or AmeriGas and see how you can be a propane delivery driver. All right. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Switch tabs. Switch tabs, my boy. Switch tabs, my boy. All right. Just gonna switch tabs. Switch tabs. All right. Jesus Christ, man. All right, there we go. That's it, man. Boss up. Cynch propane delivery. Is that easy? Going to leave a link down to this down below as well. All right, later.